Hello everyone, welcome to Visna Travel Vlog channel. See you again with my new video. Today I am travel to Seoul, South Korea and spend 2 days for shooting travel vlog at Seoul. Hope you enjoy my new video. Seoul is the capital and largest metropolis of South Korea. It has a population about 9.7 million people. Seoul was the world's largest metropolitan economy in 2014 after Tokyo, New York, and Los Angeles. The Seoul capital area is home to headquarters of 15 Fortune Global 500 companies, including Samsung, LG, and Hyundai. The city is located in the northwest of South Korea. Seoul proper comprises 60,525 km² of area, roughly divided into northern and southern halfway by Han River. The Han River and its surrounding area play an important role in Korean history. Seoul is a very polycentric city. The area that was the old capital in the Joseon dynasty and mostly comprises Jongno district and Jong district constitute the historical and political center of the city. However, for example, the city's financial capital is widely considered to be in Jeolldo, while its economic capital is Gangnam district. In common with the rest of South Korea, Seoul's climate is temperate and continental, despite the fact that South Korea is surrounded on 3 sides by water. Summers are generally hot and wet, with monsoon taking place from June until September. Winters are often very cold when compared to places of a similar latitude, with an average January temperature of -7 degrees Celsius to 1 degree Celsius. Winters are generally a lot drier than summer, although on average there are 28 days of snow in Seoul each year. Nearly all of Seoul's residents are Korean, with some small Chinese and Japanese minority. Today, there are an estimated more than 20,000 foreign nationals living in Seoul. This includes people from South Asia, Southeast Asia, Central Asia, and part of Africa. In addition, there are many language instructors from English-speaking countries such as Australia, Canada, Ireland, New Zealand, South Africa, United States, and the United Kingdom. Two major religions in Seoul are Buddhism and Christianity, both slightly less than 50%. Other religions include Shamanism, Confucianism. Seoul is the business and financial hub of South Korea, although it accounts for only 0.6% of the national land area. 38.3% of South Korea's bank deposits were held in Seoul in 2003, and the city generates 33% of the country's GDP overall in 2012. In 2008, the Worldwide Center of Commerce Index ranked Seoul in number 9. The Global Financial Centers Index in 2015 listed Seoul as the 6th financially most competitive city in the world. The Economist Intelligence Unit ranked Seoul 15 in the list of overall 2025 city competitiveness regarding future competitiveness of cities. Seoul's bus system is operated by the Seoul Metropolitan Government, with 4 primary bus configurations available servicing most of the city. Seoul has many large express bus terminals. This bus connects Seoul with cities throughout South Korea. The Seoul Express Bus Terminal, Central City Terminal, and Seoul Nambu Terminal are located in the district of Seoul District. In addition, a Seoul Bus Terminal in Gwangjin District and Sangbong Terminal in Gangnam District handle traffic mainly from Gangwon and Changchon Province. Seoul is connected to very major cities in South Korea by rail. Most major South Korea cities are linked via the KTH high-speed train, which has a normal operating speed of more than 300 km per hour. The Mukongfa and Semaul train also stop at all major stations. The traditional labor-intensive manufacturing industry have been continually replaced by information technology, electronic and assembly type of industry. However, food and beverage production as well as printing and publishing remain among the cost industry. Major manufacturers are headquartered in the city, including Samsung, LG, Hyundai, Kia, and SK. Notable food and beverage companies include Jinro, whose soju is the most sold alcoholic drink in the world. Due to efforts of the government with respect to the environment, Seoul's air pollution levels are now on par with those of Tokyo and far lower than those of Beijing. Seoul's metropolitan area accommodates such major parks, includes Seoul Forest, which opened in mid-2005. The Seoul metropolitan area is also surrounded by a green belt arm to prevent the city from spreading out over the neighboring Gyeonggi province. These lush green areas are frequently sought after by people resting on the weekend and during vacations. Seoul has 9 subway lines, nearly 200 bus routes and 6 major highways that interline every district of the city with one another and with the surrounding area. Seoul hosts large concentration of headquarters of international companies and banks, including 15 companies on Fortune 500 list, such as Samsung, LG, and Hyundai. Most bank headquarters and the Korea Exchange are located in Jeolldo Island, which is often called South Korea's Wall Street, and has been serving as the financial center of the city since the 1980s. The Seoul International Finance Center and Sixth Mall Hanwha 63 building. The Hanwha Insurance Company had office. Hanwha is one of the three largest South Korean insurance companies, along with Samsung Life and Gangnam and Global Life Insurance Group. The Han River or Hangam is a major river in South Korea and the fourth longest river on the Korea Peninsula after the Amnok, Tumen and Nakdong rivers. The river began as two smaller rivers in the eastern mountains of the Korean Peninsula, which then covered near Seoul, the capital of the country. The Seoul Sky Observatory is located at the top of the Lotte Tower, the world's fifth tallest building, standing 123 stories and 555 meters high, as the tallest building in South Korea. It is the only place where you can take in a gorgeous 360-degree view of Seoul, the capital city of South Korea, roaring with brilliant history and dynamic modern culture. The observatory offers a diverse range of unique experiences that can only be had at a thrilling height of 500 meters in the air, including various exhibitions based on the Pride of Korea, a cafe about the cloud, and exclusive tower souvenirs. Visitors can see all of the different facets of Seoul sky, ever changing with the four seasons and time of day.